He was a Tamil writer. He recalls his years when he was working in Gemini Studio in his book My Years with the Boss, which which talks of the influence of the movies. And this in here he has talked about what the influence of the movies were there in every feature of the life in India. Aspect means feature. Gemini Studio was located in Chennai and was set up in 1940. It was one of the most influent film producing organization of India in early days of film industry. Its founder was S.S. Vasan. The duty of the Ashok Mitran in the Gemini Studio was to cut the newspaper clippings on a wide variety of subjects and store them in files. Many of these had been written out by hand. Is it? Which the clippings has to be written out by hand. Right, beta? Have you understand me? Is it? Although he performed an insignificant function, he was the well informed of all the members of the Gemini family. Though his function, his work was very insignificant, but he was well informed. He knew everything about the Gemini family. The following is an expert from his book, My Years with the Boss. Is it? See, now we are going to look out what better the humor first and the human fallacies. We have to point out these two things here. Pancakes was the brand name of the makeup material that the Gemini studio bought in truckloads. Pancakes was the name of a brand name of a makeup material that was purchased by Gemini Studio in truckloads. Greta Garbo, say, is the name of a heroine, and in a box I have given you what? The detail of the Greta Garbo, a Swedish actress in 1954. She received an honorary Oscar for her unforgettable screen performances for his acting. Right, beta? Is it clear? Who was she? It is very clearly mentioned there in front of her. You can check it, see it. The Guinness Book of World Records name her after the most beautiful woman ever lived. She was the most beautiful woman of the world. She was also voted best silent actress. She was been also voted the best silent actress of the country, right, of the Sweden, right? Is it clear? So what he says that the the what, the makeup, the
Sir,
pancakes. Just a minute, wait a minute, let me complete and then you can ask me the question in between. The flow has been broken, my child, Aditya, okay? I'm coming back to you.
silent
Say,
actor.
see, previously it might be silent actress means it might be a dumb movie. It has not been
Oh,
very clearly mentioned, right? Remember, previously before 1940 there were dumb movies, is it? Right? It can be there. It might be there. See what the author says that this pancakes, the brand name of the makeup, uh, might have been used by whom? By the Swedish actress, right, Vida? Is it? Then again, he says about Miss Gohar must have used it. It is not been described Miss Gohar, is it? She might be an actress, unknown actress here. Vajanti Mala, say, Vajanti Mala was one of the famous actress of whom Vevita of Bollywood, right? An Indian actress whose performances were widely appreciated, especially in the Bimal Roy's movie Devdas. She won 3 Best Actress award of her acting. Here it is describing what about the actresses, those who might have used the brand, what, the makeup pancakes, right? The, okay, right? Here you can say the makeup as with the brand name of pancakes. Is it better? Clear? Right? The makeup department, see, but here he says, but Rati Agnotri may not have even heard of it. Rati Agnotri was also an Indian actress, well-known Indian actress, and she was, I think, in 80s or 90s. Right, beta? Is it clear? She won see, she might have not heard the name of it. Why so? Because up to that, this makeup brand has what, beta? Was not available in the market, or they might have stopped its production. Is it is it clear? See, the first thing he has introduced in a funny way what about the, and he has described about what the make what the makeup, right, beta? The makeup material, which was which brand name was Pancake. See now, the makeup department of the Gemini studio was upstairs of a building. Was on the upstairs of a building that was believed. It was not sure. That was believed to have been Robert Clive's stables. Robert Clive's stable, you know, where he kept the house. A dozen of other buildings in the city are said to be to have been his residence, and there are many cities in the Madras that was been thought that it was been the residence of Robert Clive. For his brief life and even briefer stay in Madras, Robert Clive, see, he has a very short life. It has been said that he has killed himself, right? And he has stayed there where in the Madras for a very short time. Who was Robert Clive? It has been described here in the bracket. You can just read it. Robert Clive was a British military officer and the first governor of the Bengal presidency. You might have read it where in your history book, right? In 8th, 7th, 8th, something like that. Seems to have, and it appears that he has done a lot of moving from he has moved from one place to another. In addition to fighting some impossible battles, very difficult battles in the very distant, remote means distant corners of India, and later marrying a maiden in St. Mary Church Fort George in Madras, and later he has married a maiden in the way in the church in the Fort George, St. George in Madras. The makeup room, see, yeah, it is a very interesting description as well as some humorous things about the makeup room, right? The makeup room had the look of a hair cutting salon, and there were lights where were lights with all angles around where half dozens of what beta half dozens of large mirrors. Is it? There were half dozen large mirrors there. They were all they were all incandescent means very bright light there. Because when the light reflects from there, it was very bright. So you can imagine the fiery misery. Fiery misery is when here given the meaning of it. And you must remember these lines too because you can find a question of 2 marks here. Is it? The heat produced by the lights in the makeup room brought about a lot of discomfort to the actors in the makeup room. See, the lights were from the all angles and they create a lot of pain and trouble to the actors who sit there in the makeup room. Of those who were subjected, it has been described, those who were put through to makeup, the actors that were there and they have to go through the process of makeup. They face a great discomfort due to the fiery misery. The makeup department, see, it is clear, fiery misery. Here's a humorous that what he tells us, the light that was very discomforting to whom? For those actors that were going put through the makeup. The makeup department was first headed by a Bengali. Now he's describing about what? About the makeup department. Who became too big. He felt that he was very big for a studio like Gemini and then he left the job. And he was followed by a Maharashtrian who has assisted by Dharwar Kannadiga and Andhra. Dharwar was a native of Andhra. A Madras and Andhra, a Madras Indian Christian, and Anglo-Burmese, and common local Tamils. They were the part of the makeup room of where of the Gemini studio. Please go through it properly. See, here you have to be very careful. This chapter is very important, right, beta? And it is very difficult too because there are satire, irony, humor. Satire and irony, humor is the main thing because these things are used to make humor, to make fun of someone. When you have gone through it, please let me know.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
on the first page in fourth line, it's written Ratyagni Hotri may not have even heard of it. So what
I
does
have
it
told
mean?
you. I have told you this thing that the Rati Agnon. See, Gemini Studio has worked up to 1975. After that, it was closed. Is it
Hmm.
right, beta? So what had happened is, and Rati Agnotri was a Indian actress, I think in 90s. Is it beta? So at that time, the pancakes, the makeup, brand of makeup named pancakes was not used. So that's why he says that she might have not heard the name of the makeup material named as pancakes.
Thank you. Okay, sir.
Welcome, beta. Sanskriti. Yes. Anybody else wants to ask anything? Take care of the humor. That is important. Yes, see the
Sir,
what here. Now he makes a humor here. All this shows what all this. The formation of the staff of the makeup room of the Gemini studio. What does it shows? That shows that there was a great national unity integration long before All India Radio or Doordarshan has started broadcasting the programs on national integration. The national integration was already present there where? In the where, beta? In the
sir,
Gemini studio long before when the All India Radio and Doordarshan started broadcasting what? Starting broadcasting what, beta? The programs of the
sir,
yes.
sir. This line he was succeeded by a Maharashtrian who was assisted till
See
um,
after him, what had happened? The Maharashtrian has become the head of the makeup room, and who was assisted by an Andhra, Dharwar, Kannadiga, and Andhra, a Madras Christian, and Anglo-Burmese. These were the staff members of the makeup room of Gemini Studio. Is it clear?
okay, sir.
Voice is very clear and audible. Yes, Harsh.
Sir,
Everything
little
audible.
bit, sir, little bit loud.
Yes, beta. Doubts are always welcome, my child. Yes, what is the doubt, beta? Is it clear? Shall I continue? Say
Sir,
yes.
sir, can you again tell the meaning of this? Sir,
This
sir, कहाँ गया? Sir, the makeup department was first headed by Bengali who became too big for a studio and left.
he felt that he was very big and what? His status was very big and work in such a small studio like Gemini.
And sir,
Because
one more.
his status was bigger than that studio of Gemini Studio.
And sir, this line also. All this shows that there was a great deal of national integration long before AIR and
You know
Doordarshan
what is the
began to
meaning
grow.
of national integration? That we all Indians get together. Is it? And you can find in the makeup room, there was a Maharashtrian, an Andhra, a Madras Christian, and Anglo-Burmese, and Tamils. They were from the different states. That's why it has been called the national integration, national unity. The
Sir,
people
AIR.
from all AIR means All India Radio. If you have heard the radio, it is a well,
Okay,
it
that one.
is
Okay.
right, beta. It is an
Yes.
Indian government broadcast. I just Kunal, any more thing?
Succeeded.
Say, this gang of nationally integrated makeup man could turn any decent looking person, here it is a humor, into an ugly crimson. Ugly crimson, right, beta? Ugly crimson means frightful red, and hued means color. Monster, a giant. With the help of how? With the help of truckloads of pancakes, with the help of the makeup material of pancakes. Is it? And numbers of other locally made potions and lotions. Potions and lotions are the names of the chemicals. Are chemicals. Is it? Those were the days. See, nowadays what had happened? That most of the shooting is there outdoors. But in those times, the most of the shootings were there in the studio only. Indoors means in the studio. Only 5% of the flame was shot where? Outdoors. The outdoors means beyond somewhere else from there where? From the studio. Is it clear? Right? Right, beta? Say, the players, sorry, I, su- I suppose the sets and the studio's light needed and what the Ashok Mittan thinks that the sets you know, the film set on which a set has been organized where they took the particular shot. Is it better? And studio lights needed the girls and boys to be made to look ugly. Why? They were make they were what better? Their makeup was there. It is a what humor, ugly, a joke, or you can write better, or you can an irony in order to look presentable, so that they may look in a presentable state in the movies. Go to it first.
Sir, may you please again tell the meaning of Hardier's crimson?
Hideous means ugly, beta.
Thank you.
Hideous is what, beta? Frightful, ugly, frightful. And crimson means red, beta. And hued means colored.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, beta. Have you gone, all of you? Is it clear? No doubt? Say, there was a strict hierarchy in the hierarchy, you understand? See, I'm giving you the example of the school. See, hierarchy can be from the down to up or up to down. Here, what is there? You can take director ma'am, principal ma'am, coordinators, teachers like so and so. In the same way, there was it is which meaning the system in which the members of an organization or society are ranked according to their status and authority. According to their status and authority. The meaning has been very clearly mentioned there along with the word. Was maintained in the makeup room. That this status was also maintained in the makeup room. How? The chief makeup man made the chief actors and actresses ugly. Here it is say, here it is irony. Ugly means they do the makeup so that they may be look presentable in the movies. Is it? The senior assistant, the second hero and heroine. There are side heroes and heroines now along with the main hero. Is it better? His senior assistant, and then the senior assistant, the second hero and heroines, the junior assistant. What they do? They make the makeup of the comedians, and thus it continues, right, beta, and so forth. And since so what this continues. Say the players who played the role of the crowd. Crowd means the role of the crowd. Is it? यहाँ भीड़ का एक scene लेना. Is it? Where the responsibility of the office boy. It was the makeup was the responsibility of the office boy. See this. Remember, you can find a question of 2 marks based on the office boy. Is it? On the days when there were crowd shooting, even in the makeup department here of the Gemini studio had an office boy. Office boy now today we call whom? The peon, the fourth class employee. Is it? They have. On the days when there was a crowd shooting, a scene of a crowd shooting was there. You could see, means he is telling he's addressing the readers. You could see him mixing his paint in a big vessel, a bucket or vessel, right, beta, and slapping it on the crowd place. And he put the hand there into the paint and then slap it there where on the face of the actors who were playing the part of the crowd players. Is it? Go to it and see again. It is some interesting part. What was the idea? The idea was to cover the each and every surface of the face with the process of applying makeup. And in this way, they prove what they cover the entire face, every nook and corner of the face with what, beta? With the makeup.
Sir,
Yes, beta. Yes, Ananya, what you were asking?
Sir, please explain this line. You could see him mixing his paint in a giant vessel and shaping it on the top.
See, what was there? It was a natural way of, well, it was a simple way of making of the makeup for the crowd, for the actors who were playing the role in the crowd. Crowd means a large number of people. So
Sir,
what he
who
did?
is
He refers to the office boy, beta.
okay?
Is it clear? Voice clear, audible, clearly? Yes or no? Right,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
See, he was not exactly a boy. See, it is again humorous. Right, beta? He was in his early 40s. And he has entered into the studios years ago, long ago. And what? In the hope of becoming a star actor or a top screenwriter, director or lyrics writer. He again, see, his expectations were very big, but he simply become the office boy. Is it? Right, beta? Who? He refers to the office boy. He was a bit of a poet too. He can write certain poetry or songs too. In those days, now he is describing about himself. Who? Ashok Mitran. That he in those days he was working in a cubicle, means a small room, and two sides of which were French windows. You know what are French windows? the doors of the glasses. You can see there in the staff room. You may find the glasses, the doors that are of covered with glass. You can see everything in what is going on inside the. Or you can see the office of our principal ma'am and vice principal. Right, beta? There, that doors that are there are called French windows. Is it? I did not know at that time, and at that time, when he did not know that these glass doors are called French windows. Seeing me sitting at my desk, and what was his work? Nothing. Just look, Howard. Seeing me sitting at my desk, tearing up, cutting the newspapers, day in and day out, all the time. Day in and day out means all the time. Is it better? Most people thought that he was doing next to nothing, that he was doing nothing. Right, beta? Is it? And he feels that boss also thinks like that only. It is likely that the boss thought likewise too. The boss also thinks in the same manner. So anyone who felt that I should be given some work, occupation, some work, would barge into means enter into
Sir,
my, just a minute, let me complete the sentence, beta. Afterwards, I will let you know. Is it? I will give you the chance to read it and ask me your problems. Say, and deliver me a what? A big lecture, extended lecture, big lecture. The boy in the makeup room, makeup department. No, yeah, now you can ask me the questions. Come on. Yes, who was asking the question?
sir,
Yes, beta, who? Harsh?
sir,
Who is
exactly what work was of Ashok Mittal?
Beta, your voice is not audible. Please repeat the question, my child.
Sir, what was the need of cutting out the paper, newspaper
See, that is
photos
there.
and
See, that is the thing that gives the idea something new. To whom? To the story writers. Is it? To the dialogue writers. Is it? Because they get a new idea to write the stories and somewhat what were the public reaction about the movies that they have made, what were the critics of opinion about the films. You might have seen there in the newspaper, you find a particular column about the films in which certain critics put their opinion about the direction, story, acting, music, you know, is it? So
yes, sir.
that is why they have to cut it and put it there in the file so that the bosses may go through it and find what is the opinion of the peoples, so that in the next movie, if they find something like that, they may rectify that mistake or that thing that has been criticized. See, the criticize means both. When somebody criticizes something, if it is a critic, he will write both things, positive as well as negative. Is it? Yes. Now clear? Any more question, beta? Say, the boy in the makeup department had decided that I should be enlightened. Enlightened here means educated on how on how great literary talent has been allowed to go west. That how much he was very much talented, as his talent was going waste in a department that was fit for only barbers. If he fit, he thought that it was what that makeup room makeup room was only fit for the barbers, or perverts means corrupts, corrupts, corrupts. And soon what she find, he was so much fed up, author was so much fed up that he prayed to God. Soon I was praying for crowd shooting all the time, and whenever the office boy entered and started a extended started to give a extended speech to the author. He always prays to God that what that the crowd shooting may start. Huh? For the crowd shooting all the time. Why so? When the crowd shooting begins, what happened? That office boy was busy in what beta? In doing the makeup of the actors who were playing the part in the Crowd. Nothing short of it could save him from his epics. And he said nothing else. Only that crowd shooting was the thing that can save him from his epics. Yeah, epics refers to long speeches. Long speeches. Now go through it and see any doubt, any question there if you want to ask.
So, sir,
Yes, beta.
that boy is of had come to
Harsh,
the Bollywood to
what
Gemini
happened?
Studios for
Repeat the
screenwriter.
question. Your voice is not audible, beta. Once again, Harsh, please.
Sir, so that boy came to Gemini Studios to become a screenwriter.
Yeah, I've told you that he has become there in expectations that he will become what better? An actor, a famous actor, or screenwriter, or what? Lyrics, or a director. Say, top screenwriter, director. First, he has felt that he will become a star actor. Is it? You just see there in the in your book, page number 59,
Sir,
above the paragraph. Saying, let's see. Second, what? A star actor, a top screenwriter, director, lyrics writer. He entered in the studio of becoming one of them. But he did not achieve his target, his aim. So he become what beta? Office boy.
sir,
Yes, beta.
this line by Ashok Mitran, I should enlighten on how great literary talent was being allowed to waste.
And
So,
was
so
he
it,
literary talent means such an educated, such an educated, or you can call such a great person. His qualities were going into waste. Were, they were not properly utilized. Say how it was not utilized. He might have given he was supposing that he might become a star actor or a director or what better or a screenwriter or lyric writer, but he had become what? An office boy, and thus all his qualities, all his characteristics have gone into waste.
okay, sir.
Is it? Have you understand me?
Sir,
Yes, beta.
so what is the meaning of perverts?
Which one? Perverts. Perverts.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
corrupts. Corrupts, beta. Say this chapter is a
Yes, sir.
difficult one. There are humors, there are different poetic devices used to make it humorous. So you have to understand first thing what? Two things in it. First the humor, and second is what beta? The human mistakes. Is it? Yeah, you can say the description of the office boy is very humorous. Right, beta? Somewhere it has used the jokes, the author, to make it more humorous. See here, it was there that he was always praying for what? For the crowd shooting so that he may get rid of whom? From the great speeches of what beta? Of that office boy. It is a humor. It is a fun, making fun of whom? Of the office boy. Well, see, Humor has so many things. You know what is the exact meaning of humor? See, humor in the Latin word, it is what, beta? It is body fluid, right, beta? And which control, and but here what? It controls the human emotions and what? Human health. What is humor? The same thing, it is humor is doing that. When we are human, we live, we enjoy humor, we make fun, we enjoy the fun without commenting on any person, on the any personal defaults of any of the people. Then we are enjoying, we are laughing with others. We are not making a laugh to, we are not laughing on a particular person. We are laughing on some mistake, human mistakes, and everybody is enjoying and laughing with it. If you are commenting a particular on some person specifically, that is not humor. Then you are trying to do something to hurt him, and we should not do like that. Everybody, anyone, whoever it is, the man is the mixture of two things, good and evil. If you say, tell to me, take me, there might be some good qualities and some evil qualities in me. It is there in every human being, whoever it is. You can just look into yourself. You might find there are so many good qualities in you, but something that is that the people does not like. Even your parents interrupt and told you to improve your habit. Is it? It is everywhere.
So,
Yes, beta.
what's the meaning of woes and ignominy?
But I have not taught you up to that. I am asking you up to the epics, my child. Now see, in all instances, examples of frustration, disappointment, you will always find the anger directed to a single person. Everybody's anger was directed to only one person, openly or secretly. Covertly means secretly. And this man of the makeup department was satisfied that all his sufferings, his ignominy means his disgrace, his insult, and neglect was due to Kothamangalam Subbu. Remember, this character is very important. Last year it has come into the examination, but you can't say it cannot be repeated. Is it? Don't say. I have told you that in the last, it was I think in the third or fourth set, I'm not sure, but this question has come. What? Subbu was number 2 in the Gemini studio. Is it? In Hindi it is Gemini. It is in English is Gemini studio. You could not have more encouraging opening. He could not have more encouraging opening in the films than our. See, he refers to whom? To the Subbu. And the author says he could not give such an encouraging opening in the film that the grown up makeup boy had. That makeup boy had means that then the office boy. Because he himself was talented, who? The office boy. But he has not get the opportunity to get something more, to get, uh, to become something, and he remained as a makeup boy, office boy. On the contrary, first go through it, see, and then ask me the question so that first your doubt should get clear. They are very important. This chapter is very important
Sir, may you please
and
repeat the
difficult too.
paragraph? I didn't understand it.
Which better?
May
Which
you please
one?
repeat it, sir?
Again,
Yes, sir.
say what was there? All the examples of frustrations. Whenever somewhere, all the instances of the frustration of anybody, you will always find that their anger was directed towards one single person. Openly means they were capable to say on the face of it, or covertly means secretly. Anger was always directed to only one person, right? And this man, the office boy, was also satisfied that for all his sufferings, all his what beta disgrace, ignominy means disgrace, and all his neglect was due to Kothamangalam Subu. Kothamangalam Subu. Subu was number 2nd in the Gemini studio. Is it? Have you understand me better?
Yes, sir. Sir, one more question. Will you tell me
Yes,
the
beta.
meaning of booze?
Repeat it again, beta. Slowly. A
Meaning
bit
of
slow.
booze. WOES.
Woes means
Booze.
sufferings, beta. Distress, sufferings. Is it distress? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Suffering. Or you can say sorrows. Is it?
An economy.
Beta, it is what I've told you. Disgrace. Insult.
Sorry. सर एक बार हिंदी में भी बता दीजिए.
Yes, beta. Again, repeat again, my child.
सर एक बार आप हिंदी में समझा दीजिए, समझ भी नहीं
किसको बेटा?
सर इस पैराग्राफ में क्योंकि कहना
हम
क्या
हिंदी
चाह
में
रहा है.
देखो, ये कह रहे कभी भी कोई अगर डिसअपॉइंट होता, ठीक है, उसका गुस्सा सिर्फ एक ही व्यक्ति की ओर होता, चाहे वो सामने कहता, चाहे सीक्रेटली कहता. और ये आदमी जो था, दिस ऑफिस बॉय, वो भी सेटिस्फाइड था कि उसके सारी सफरिंग्स के लिए, सॉरोस के लिए, उसके इंसल्ट के लिए, उसके नेग्लेक्ट के लिए एक ही आदमी जिम्मेवार है. वो कौन? सुबू. हैव यू अंडरस्टैंड इट नाउ? इज इट?
यस.
एनीथिंग मोर?
थैंक
राइट
Sir,
बेटा. यस बेटा.
sir, what it means? Subbu was the number 2 at Gemini Studio.
Means he was next to boss. Next to boss. Who was the boss? Mr. Vasan. And after that, the second number was Su. Is it clear? Yes, Ananya said straight.
Yes, sir.
Right, you are distracted, my child. Okay. On the contrary, say, he must have had faced more uncertain and difficult times. He refers to who? To the Subu. Why so? Because when he began his career in the film industry, there were no firmly established what film producing companies or studio when the Subu has started. Okay? There was no firmly established what made up producing companies or studios. Even in the matter of education, especially formal education, Subu could not have. See, go through it. I will repeat it tomorrow because the time is going to be over of the class. Up to the previous one where the makeup boy had.